Gavana ma Migori Migosi Okoth Obado sani koro golo siem jotich mag piny owacho mag Migori County mar mondo mi kik donjre gi weche go mag siasa kapod gintiere apis. Gavana noloso kowacho ni koro nitie jodito mago mantiere achiel kachiel e piny owacho manoendo ma Migori masani osekawo manoendo korgi e weche go mag siasa ma Migori. E seche go eko noloso mabende koro ne en kinde go eko mabende ne osidho ji 238 mabende biro tiyo kaka County Enforcement Officers mabende biro konyo mano pinyno mar Migori, mano mabende ne nyasi mano bagi e Migori Stadium. Ne omedo rido kowacho ni koro kuom sani endi jogo eko mabende koro no mitijno mar County Enforcement Officers ber mamondo mi otine jo Migori maonge koda ka kwede mora mora. E seche go eko jalup Gavana Obado Migosi Nelson Mahanga Mwita ne owuok no nyiedhore kendo bang' higni 3 kosebedo ka koro ok nene kalure kod mago mabende ne gin midekre mane entiere godo e ringruok mare. Maendi kabende koro nopuoyo ahinya tich mosetire e higni 10 mago e loch mar Gavana Okoth Obado.
The respect they deserve, and the Lord your God will be on your side. Just remember that. I don't want to speak a lot because the day was meant to be a very, very brief ceremony. But before I conclude, I really want to commend you and congratulate you and wish you well. I wish each and every one of you success. Muko na hiyo haki ya kupiga kura. What we don't want is partisan politics. You as public officers, you must not be partisan. You must serve each and everyone very, very objectively, very, very equitably. Let us not be like those other big brothers of ours who are openly very, very notorious and are breaking the law each and every time. We must not be like them. They know what they are hiding, and that is why they are breaking the law each and every time. I hope they will get even this clip. You know that Obado amesema ile kitendo ama ile kitu wanafanya ni baya zaidi. Public servants are not allowed to be partisan when people are playing politics. The law does not allow that. And the time is soon coming where they will now be put to task. Each and every one of them will be required to come and explain the good reasons why they must act against the law. As peace-loving people of Kenya, as law-abiding citizens, we want to follow the law. We want to be ruled by the law. But we can't allow ourselves to be governed by people who have openly shown impunity to the law. As the people of Kenya, I want to call upon you to keenly analyze these characters and fully understand the great interest that they have in supporting certain sections and discriminating against certain sections.
Things that the people claim we have not done. But they must know this, and this is the message I'm sending to the people of Migori County, that we have gone through a very successful formative stage. If I were you, I would clap for that. I want to urge you, the recruits, do not be agents of harassment. You must be agents of good management and administration. Nyinyi wazazi, mukiona hawa vijana wenu wanajaribu kuharas mwananchi wa kawaida, waonye, kwa sababu wasiposikia la wazazi watafunzwa na ulimwengu.